Mustang Coupe.
I'm getting sucked in by a Pontiac. Look at this car. This is rare. And that's called original. It's even got a little rust spot in there. So I bet you that's original paint. And that is a 1969 Pontiac Firebird Coupe for $23,900. In my opinion, that's not a bad price. If you love this car, you have to have it. It would cost a lot more than 29. Was it the 29? I'm sorry. Boy. 23.9 on this car. And it would cost a heck of a lot more in a restoration to get it to this point. So that's a find. That is a find. Again, remember, give Ed the love on if you're interested in any of these cars. Look, cracked dash, smells like an interior. Look at that, 4-speed, gotta love it. That's truly driving a car. I'm into manuals because you're all hands on deck, if you know what I mean. There you go. She's a beauty, 1 in a million girl, but don't fall in love. All right, I can't sing. I need auto-tune. Corvette, Mercedes, Plymouth, Fairlane. Look at this Fairlane. And I'm only in one section of the cars right now. One section. Look at this Chevy. This thing is born to be a lowrider right here. You see a lot of these as lowriders. That is nice. I even like the rims on it. Another Mustang convertible. How much is this Mustang convertible? They got the window down, so I don't have a sticker on it. Maybe there is no sticker on it right now. That looks like what's it called? What's it called? Fire engine red? No, fire. I can't remember the name of this color. Alan over Mustang Country knows this color. If he was here.
This is 66 that is sold.
It's sold at 66?
Yeah.
What paint color is it? Does it say on there?
It does not, because the original information has been removed.
Darn. It will come to me, or you guys will put it underneath this video. What is the